Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I recently just told myself I'm gonna do Vlogmas. So I actually uploaded a video yesterday, November 30th, like late at night. I think it was like around 6, 7 o'clock. And then it's only 1 o'clock today. And I'm like, I have a vlog ready to go, like already uploaded on my YouTube video. I just have to make it public. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try my best to participate in Vlogmas. So who really knows where it's gonna go, but I gotta vlog something today. I actually have quite a lot to do. So let's see how much daylight I have left to get this done. So I'm starting this vlog late because I just had an electrician come. He was here for 3 hours. My dryer is finally usable. It's finally functioning. Brian and I purchased some pretty nice washer and dryer duos, and they came like a week after we purchased them, which was amazing. However, the washer worked, but the dryer, it works, but the outlet to plug it in for some reason did not work. So I finally got an electrician out. I was kind of calling here and there, but honestly, I wasn't like super on it, but I finally got that figured out. And it's the little things, you guys. I'm gonna do a load of laundry right now, and I'm gonna be able to dry it. I have been washing my clothes, but we've just been like hanging them up to dry, which isn't a huge deal. But anyway, so I'm gonna do a load of laundry. I'm gonna clean up my kitchen. I'm gonna put together the last few chairs I have for the dining table, and I'm going to organize the crap out of my clothes today, and also give you a little tour, like a Christmas tour. So anyway, let's get into it. Also, in the last vlog, I said I wanted to update the mantle here, so I just had like 2. Those were both on like the mantle. Macy, what are you doing? So I went out and bought this stuff with Vanessa at Target, and she decorated it for me. So I think this was like $10. This was $5. We had leftover ornaments, and then these little trees, whoopsie, these trees were like $5 as well. So she did this. I think it's super cute. So yeah, anyway, this is the updated little mantle. All right, so before I get into being productive today, I'm gonna make myself a quick lunch. So I'm gonna make my go-to like lazy girl meal. All you need is a tostada and a tuna packet. You're good to go. I have 2 of these, so 2 tuna packets and 2 tostadas. So each tuna packet has 17 grams of protein. That's great. Okay, so these are the chairs. They come with the cushion, all that good, obviously. I'm just saying, like, I'm just unpacking everything right now. And there's 2 per box. So total, I have 6 chairs. I wanted to get at least 6 chairs because first I want to have, like, I want to be able to have that extra seating, and second, I want to be able to have family dinners at my house. So there's 5 of us total in my family, or 4 total for my family, and then 1 more including Brian. So yeah. Also, I got this dining table at Wayfair. To me, it kind of looks cheap, and I'm not really sure why. My mom and my sister both said like they think it's really nice. Maybe I'm just a little more critical because it's at my house, but okay, so I finished setting up all the chairs. This is our dining table. I'm gonna go pick my sister up right now, and we're gonna make some Christmas cookies. So it is officially Vlogmas Day 2. It is currently December 2nd, and it is, I believe, 8:15. Oh my god, look at that sun. Just gonna make myself a nice cup of coffee here. Then I have a lot to do today. A lot. So I just figured out how to pay like my utilities bill. Like I could not figure out how to do like automatic payments, so I paid that online. I need to shower, I need to take a bunch of pictures, I need to work out, so that will be in this vlog. I'm gonna do a little bit more workouts. I think I mentioned it in my last vlog, but I actually did save up and purchase a squat rack, so I'm really excited to like do more workout vlogs at home, and that's pretty much it. But like the whole content part is like gonna be a big part of my day because I have to take a bunch of pictures, I have to film this, and I need to get it up by tonight, so yeah. Lay down, stay, okay. Hank, eat your food, eat your food. Good boy. All right, so the dogs are fed and I just got out of the shower. I'm just going to moisturize a little bit. My face is so dry right now. Oh my gosh, like I can't even move it, it's so dry. This is the VLOGMAS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I'll focus this on like my forehead and under my eyes. And it's an oil, so it goes a pretty long way. And then just one more light moisturizer. This is the Burt Bees Intense Moisturizer. About 1.5 pumps of that. I like to also drag it down my neck a little bit. Alright, so since my coffee was absolute trash, I'm gonna go in with some tea. This is the chamomile tea. I haven't tried this one yet. I've tried the apple cinnamon one from them, and then a honey something. Pretty good, I've liked both. The apple cinnamon is very, very strong. So I'm just gonna take that and let it soak. Don't mind how messy my house is, you guys. Like I actually need to like deep clean here. I just finished taking some pictures, taking some content, and now I'm just gonna do a pretty easy like warm up upper body workout right now. I'm very limited in like what I have. So honestly, to keep me going, I just like to do like my favorite exercises. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Also, if you're curious, this sports bra is the Monarch sports bra from Buff Bunny Collection. It gets the name from like the crazy cute back detail. Like, I know, that's cute. Okay, so I'm pretty much just gonna speed this up and you guys are gonna be right here watching. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's vlog. If you did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. I'm not honestly sure if I'm gonna like fully do Vlogmas. Minnesota's in a lockdown, so there's not much I can actually go out and do, and I don't want these to be insanely boring. So maybe I'm just gonna make it my goal to upload 3-4 times a week if I can, if I'm actually doing something. So yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.